Hello friends, welcome to English Lens channel. If you are interested to learn or improve your English, please subscribe this channel and like the video. You will get such type of videos regularly on this channel. So let's get started. In the quaint village of Eldenwood, nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, lived a humble artist named Thomas, known for his remarkable paintings that seemed to capture the very essence of life. Thomas was beloved by the villagers, yet despite his talents, Thomas remained unmarried, his heart waiting for a love as captivating as the scenes he painted. One autumn afternoon, as the golden leaves fluttered down from the trees, Thomas decided to venture into the nearby forest in search of inspiration. The forest, with its ancient trees and hidden streams, always provided him with the peace and creativity he sought. As he wandered deeper, he stumbled upon a clearing he had never seen before. In the center of the clearing stood a majestic oak tree, its trunk wide and sturdy, its branches stretching out like welcoming arms. Drawn to the tree, Thomas noticed something peculiar, a portrait embedded in the trunk. It was an exquisite painting of a woman, more beautiful than any he had ever seen. Her eyes sparkled with life, her smile warm and inviting, and her golden hair cascaded like a waterfall. Thomas was mesmerized. Days turned into weeks, and Thomas found himself returning to the clearing every day. He would sit beneath the oak tree, sketching and painting the woman's portrait from memory, trying to capture every delicate detail. The villagers noticed a change in him. He seemed happier, more alive. They whispered about the mysterious woman in his paintings, wondering who she could be. One night, as the full moon bathed the clearing in a silvery glow, Thomas sat by the oak tree, lost in thought. He spoke aloud to the portrait as he often did, sharing his dreams and fears, his hopes and desires. "I wish you were real," he sighed, tracing the outline of her face with his fingers. "I wish I could meet you, if only for a moment." As if in response to his longing, a gentle breeze rustled the leaves, and the air shimmered with a strange, otherworldly light. Thomas watched in awe as the portrait began to glow, the colors swirling and blending until the woman stepped out of the tree, as real and breathtaking as she had been in the painting. "Who are you?" Thomas whispered, hardly daring to believe his eyes. "I am Elara," she replied, her voice as soft as the rustling leaves. "I have been trapped in this portrait for centuries, waiting for someone with a pure heart to set me free." Thomas could hardly speak, overwhelmed by her beauty and the magic of the moment. Elara smiled, taking his hand. "You have freed me, Thomas. For that I am eternally grateful. But my time here is limited. The enchantment that binds me will soon return." Thomas felt his heart ache at the thought of losing her. Then let us make the most of the time we have, he said, his voice filled with determination. The two spent the night talking and laughing, sharing stories of their lives and dreams. Thomas showed her his paintings, and Elara marveled at his talent. As dawn approached, they walked hand in hand through the forest, cherishing every moment together. But as the first light of day touched the clearing, Elara began to fade. "Remember me, Thomas," she whispered, her eyes filled with tears, "and know that I will always love you." With a final kiss, Elara disappeared, leaving Thomas alone in the clearing, his heart heavy but filled with a newfound purpose. He returned to the village, determined to honor her memory through his art. His paintings of Elara became famous, not just for their beauty, but for the love and longing they captured. Years passed, and Thomas' reputation grew. People came from far and wide to see his works, to hear the story of the enchanted portrait. But for Thomas, no praise or fame could compare to the night he spent with Elara, the beautiful woman who had stepped out of a painting and into his heart. And so, in the village of Ildenwood, the legend of Thomas and Elara lived on, a tale of love, magic, and the enduring power of art.